guys, Alysha here. So I'm going to show you how to make a pretty simple, easy Thanksgiving centerpiece. You can also put flowers in it if you prefer instead of a tea light. So it has a lot of different options. All you will need is a mason jar, some leaves. You can pull one from outside if you have a pretty leaf, or you can cut something out on the internet. Or like me, I had some leftover fabric leaves. You can use that as well. You'll need your tea light, some extra yarn or jute, something really fun and rustic looking. Okay, and then some extra spray paint. Here's some spray paint I just had some brown and some white. After experimenting with it, I do like the white a little better, so I think I'm gonna stick with that. And then some tape, or you can also use hot glue to like adhere the leaf on here, which is what I'm about to do. All right, so you're just gonna take your tape and fold it around, just so you can stick the leaf on there where you'd like. Now you might have to use a lot because you want to make sure there's not a big gap between the leaf and the jar. Although you're not going to spray like directly on it, which I'll show you. You just want to make sure that you don't get those drips. I just put the tape down first because I wanted to get it in this spot exactly. But if you're not too picky about which spot it is, then of course you can just put the tape down wherever you like. It looks like I'm going to need some extra tape on this side. And duct tape would probably be better for this if you're going to use the fabric leaf like I am, just because it's a lot stronger. And you won't have to worry about like cleaning the jar off once it dries. You can just like either peel it off with like a Goo Gone or something easy like that. There we go. We almost got it stuck. So then once you stick your leaf like this, we are going to spray paint it. Make sure you do it in an open air environment. Nothing closed, nothing indoors. Keep all flames away. Do it outside, preferably in the grass, in like a box or something that will catch all the extra fumes and spray paint that you're gonna lose. All right, and in 1 second, we'll go outside and spray paint this. Okay guys, so after a couple hours, you can go ahead and check it. Make sure you try and lift it up by the inside and check the bottom part. That way you won't see your fingerprint if it's not quite dry yet. And then it will take a few hours though, and best to leave it outside to dry. Once you're done, you can just take your piece of jute or string. You can either tie it nicely around if you're good at bows or anything pretty like that. I'm terrible at it, so what I did was just cut some and then took a dot of hot glue to wrap it around there and keep it closed. And then you can just turn on your tea light and just stick it in there. And that, like I said, this is a cute, easy project. You can also use it as a flower vase or possibly even a pot, whatever you like. So have a happy Thanksgiving.